Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of sequence, logical mathematical sequence. 2 is equal to 5. 15 is equal to 1. 10 is equal to 2. Find the answer of sequence 5 is equal to. First sequence 2 is equal to 5. Multiplication of 2 and 5. Next sequence 15 is equal to 1. Multiplication of 15 times 1. Next sequence 10 is equal to 2. Multiplication of 10 and 2. Multiplication of 2 and 5 is 10. Multiplication of 15 and 1 is equal to 15. Multiplication of 10 and 2 is equal to 20. Difference between answer of first sequence and second sequence is 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Difference between answer of second sequence and third sequence is 5. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Difference between answer of sequence is 5. So 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Answer of sequence is 5. 5 is the correct answer. Subscribe to my channel. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. Hit the bell icon.